Plastic Model Builders. It's me, Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. We've got the Tamiya Zeke Zero right here. The Mitsubishi A6M2 Zero Fighter, World War II. This is an unboxing. Show you what's inside of it. Got your artwork. We have one bag right here. Clear canopy parts. Here is another bag. We have the fuselage and the wings. And then more wing halves right here. And two pilots. And some propellers, seats, cockpit stuff. Got right here, these are sealed. No, they are not. One bag, what kind of sealed? Of decals. And then last but not least, we have our instructions for this. Lots of things we can do. Fairly simple kit. Looks like we've got about 8 steps on this. And then of course the back, the paint schemes. Typical thing, Tamiya colors of course. Look forward to doing this model. From the looks of it, looks like a decent kit. We won't know till we put it together. I've heard good things after all. It is a comp Tamiya kit, so we'll see how well it goes. 1/48 scale, all the different stuff on the side of the box. That's it. Subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, get ready for some model making madness. See ya.